Pitsco expeditions leverage the power of technology to deliver rich STEM content and hands-on experiences to learners. Self-directed student teams engage the curriculum as teachers facilitate learning and conduct assessments. Since expeditions adhere to the Learning Tools Interoperability Standard, teachers have the capability to assign and deliver the curriculum directly through their preferred management system. Platforms such as Canvas, Schoology, and Moodle, who support the LTI standard, can import expeditions content directly into their systems. To accomplish this, teachers simply configure 3 settings within the external tool feature of the platform. Once completed, expedition titles appear alongside the rest of the instructor's course material. After a student has logged into the platform, the Pitsco curriculum can be accessed just like any other content. Expeditions begin with the pretest before advancing through each of the destinations in order. Throughout this journey, student teams interact with the content, conduct hands-on experiments and activities, and collect data as they follow the engineering design process. Student logbooks serve as the primary artifact of learning for the curriculum and are assessed by the teachers using customizable rubrics. Extending the reach of each expedition title are enrichment activities called connections. Learners can dive deeper into each title by investigating career, CAD, research, and safety connections. Pitsco's career and STEM expeditions create learning opportunities for students that build collaboration and problem-solving skills. Embracing the LTI standard is just another example of how Pitsco's commitment to innovation and success can positively impact learners in any school.